My name is Corporal Brandon Lovelady, Starkville Police Department's Public Information Officer. This is the weekly update covering Monday, July 18th at 8 a.m. to Friday, July 22nd at 8 a.m. Officers had 209 calls for service and took 34 reports. Officers took burglary reports on North Montgomery, Loxley Way, and South Montgomery. There was a DUI on Highway 12. Officers served 10 misdemeanor warrants. Other misdemeanor arrests were possession of paraphernalia on Southdale Drive, public drunk on Long Street, petty larceny on Whitfield Street, 3, possession of alcohol by a minor, and fake ID on University Drive. Ensure you've reviewed our interactive map on Facebook as our locations have changed. One team, one community, we're better together.